Hey there, what's up everyone? Today we'll be making a very popular dish that's eaten at Chinese New Year's as it symbolizes bringing good fortune. It's called Buddha's Delight Lo Hon Zai. This is a vegan dish. It's very simple but delicious. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I have some Chinese mushrooms. Chinese mushroom is dried and so you need to cook it first. Soak it in some hot water. Just cover it and leave it for about 15 minutes. Some wood ear or black fungus. We call it wan yi. Again, what you want to do is you need to soak it in some warm water. They expand quite quickly, so just give them about 10-15 minutes. We have some dried beancurd sheets. Soak it in hot water for about 15 minutes again. This is glass noodles or thin rice vermicelli. Fancy. We need to rehydrate this as it's been dried, so use warm water for this and just give it 10 minutes again. This is fried tofu. You can get these from most Asian supermarkets. Carrot. This is to give the dish some color and make it more visually appealing. I'm going to show you two ways to chop these carrots. Slice it diagonally downwards. This thick. Slice it down. You get a nice shape. Or another method, get the carrot, preferably a thicker chunk. Slice into the carrot and remove a strip of it. Turn it and do the same. Repeat the process. This is what you end up with, and then you just slice it down. So you get a more interesting shaped carrot. And finally, we have some broccoli. I've got tender stem broccoli. You can use any broccoli, or you can replace broccoli with other vegetables, such as baby corn, which will also give it some more color. I don't have baby corn today, sadly. Remove the ends, half it, and half it again. There you go. Get yourself 3 cloves of garlic and roughly mince them. So let's just check on the ingredients that we've been soaking the water in. The wood ear is expanded nicely, so always give it more water than needed. The glass noodles is softened up. The beancurd sheets has already expanded, and you can start to see some of the parts that are becoming whiter. Just give it a quick flip. Some of these darker parts are still quite hard and chewy, so you need to turn it around and let it soak for a bit longer. The Chinese mushrooms have expanded. These are quite small, so I'm not going to slice it. I'm just going to cook them whole. Give it another 10 minutes. So as you can see now, the glass noodles is ready. They go in last in the dish. The wood ear is also ready. Drain it out and rinse it with some water again. Chinese mushrooms, and rinse it again with some water because some of them can be quite dirty. Just rinse it a few times. Alright, nice and clean and nice and soft. Beancurd sheets, and what you want to do is just cut it with some scissors. I'm just going to halve it into little chunks like this. Alright guys, so now we have all our ingredients. We're ready to start cooking. Wok on, heat up your wok. Oil. Now at the restaurant we use a wok, so we need more oil for this dish. Garlic, carrots and broccoli. Yeah. Chinese mushrooms, tofu, give it a fry. Water, wood ear, beancurd sheets. And now we season. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, white pepper, sesame oil. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. Glass noodles. The glass noodle is going to absorb all the sauce, so you need more water. A bit of dark soy sauce, light soy sauce. I'm going to thicken it with a bit of potato starch, just a tiny bit. Bring it to a boil. Oil. And now we serve. This is how you make Buddha's Delight. This is such a fun dish to make because you can play with so many different ingredients. My favorite is the beancurd sheets. The glass noodles. Oh. So good. Please give this a try. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!